Okay, so here's the parts laid out for issue 34 of the Spitfire build. Some cardboard parts or whatever. I think it's going to produce like a stand that the thing's going to sit in, instructions, and a few little detailed parts for the underside of the wing. But yeah, not much to talk about really, just these few parts. So we'll get straight into the build for issue 34. Okay, so just unfolding these kind of parts for this cardboard, what it calls temporary stand. Yeah, just trying to identify which one's which. I think I've worked it out. Yeah, so you got 1, 2, 3, it's a long one, and 4. I'm just going to kind of build this up as the instructions show. So I've got number 1 here, as it calls it, part number 1, just a double 1 there. Okay. And you've got to kind of bring it round. So that's the front, back, and then slot the first piece into there. Quite simply, slot that into there. That's number 1. And it says for number 2. Just another kind of smaller piece. Okay, get that way around, and once again you've got 2 parts there. Bring that round, and that goes into there like that. And then the long piece, and bring that round. Once again, the 2. Well, it shows you which one goes into which. Okay, now you've got number 1 at the front, and get the long one here. Yeah, that goes in, so that one goes into there, that one goes into there. And then you've got number 4 here. One goes into the back one there, and we'll stay connect to nothing. And number 2 here, from earlier. Yep, so you got that one going into there, that one into there, and into there. Fairly simple. And a very temporary stand, I think. Right, so bringing over, I think it's these 2 parts. Yeah. Carburetor air intakes. And you kind of fitting them together, they pretty much only kind of go one way. So fitting them together, making sure they go together. Once you're happy with the fit, it says, then you're going to pop in a little bit of super glue. Okay. So that looks like carburetor, can't say carburetor air intake. Going to be fitting that then onto air intake scoop type thing. Cowling. Once again, just check the fit. And once happy, a bit more super glue. Okay, that's what that looks like now, all completed. Bringing over the wing section. The shoes. That's going to be fitting up front. It's just going to be fitting in there. It's going to be fitting in there. Yep. Look underneath. Oh yeah, it's got like a little locating pin and a hole. Perfect. And then we're going to two of the black screws. Keeping it this way around. Because we've now got, what does it call it? Air cooler intake. So air cooler intake. Yeah. Now the short end, looking at it, goes towards the front. You know what I mean? Not short, but the smaller of the openings goes towards the front. It says to glue in place, but if I'm honest, that's on pretty tight. I am going to couple of dogs, not much. It goes on fairly tight, to be fair. So the smaller hole towards the undercarriage leg. Now it's springing over the engine part and fitting that on. Power engine. Which we haven't looked at for a wee while. So that's just going on, and all these PM screws. Once you've got these 4 holes lined up, you're just gonna put in 4 screws. Then it shows it placed on this temporary stand. Assume that that's all. Okay. It goes on like that, it goes on like that, it goes on like that. Yeah. So it kind of fits and sits there on this temporary cardboard stand. Looks okay. Too bad. Anyway, yep, there we go. That's on the temporary stand. The engine fitted, and obviously the underside parts done as well. Okay, so that was everything there for issue 34. What we've got coming in 35. Have a look. So issue 35 is going to be, we've got a motor, got a landing gear motor. Looks like we're just going to test. Okay, so we're just going to be testing the landing gear motor, and that's it. So nothing to do with the model. We're not going to be fitting anything. So that's going to be a fairly quick one. But yeah, keep an eye out for issue 35. That'll be coming up soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see the progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-ra for now.